Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we will tackle a common problem that many data analysts and scientists encounter. The problem we have at hand involves dealing with a table that contains a timestamp column T and a line number column line enum. Our goal is to calculate the time difference within each line number group. Now, let's delve into the solution for this problem. The first part of the solution involves using a Groupby operation on the line enum column and then applying the transform function to calculate the time difference within each group. By utilizing the code snippet df time within line equals df.groupby line enum t.transform lambda x min x, we can efficiently achieve this task. This code snippet subtracts the minimum timestamp within each group from all the timestamps in that group, effectively giving us the time difference within each line number group. Building on the previous step, another approach to solve the problem is by using a sorted dataset. In this scenario, we can simplify the calculation by directly subtracting the first timestamp in each group from all the timestamps within that group. The code snippet df time within line equals df.groupby line enum t.transform lambda xxx.iloc0 accomplishes this effortlessly. This method provides the same outcome, but is specifically tailored for datasets where the timestamps are already sorted. In summary, we have explored two approaches to calculate the time difference within each group in a table based on the line number. By utilizing the Groupby and transform functions, we efficiently derive the desired results. Remember to experiment with both methods to determine the most suitable approach for your specific dataset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Remember, data analysis can be fun too. See you next time.